Want to create this stunning auto-changing picture-style cube using just PowerPoint? You won't believe how easy it is. Today, we will show you how to create a beautiful auto-changing picture effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's begin. Right-click on the slide. Go to Format Background. Select Gradient Fill. Insert 3 square images from your device. Select each image and apply 3D rotation. First image, perspective left. Second image, perspective right. Third image, perspective top. Arrange them into a cube-like layout. Press Ctrl A to select all. Apply a bevel effect from the 3D format. Insert rectangle matching the cube size. Apply 3D rotation. Select top perspective. Add a shadow with transparency 60%. Size 120%. Blur 10 point. Angle 140 degree. Distance 145 point. Then send it to back. Select all and group them. Duplicate the slide. Select each image in the cube. Go to picture format. Change picture from this device. Repeat with new image to create cube 2. Duplicate again to create cube 3 with a third image set. Open the selection pane. Rename the group cubes. Cube 3, Cube 2, Cube 1. Use position setting 9.19 and 1.06. Cut each cube using Ctrl X and paste them onto the first slide to place all cubes in the same spot. Open selection pane. Select cube 2. Go to animation. Apply fading. Select start with previous. Duration 2.5 seconds. Select cube 3. Fading. Start up the previous. Duration 2.5 seconds. Select cube 2. Click on add animation. Apply fade exit. After previous 2.5 seconds. Select this cube 3. Click on add animation. Apply fade exit. After previous 2.5 seconds. In the animation pane, make sure cube 2's exit animation comes right after its entrance. Same for cube 3. The sequence should flow cube 2 in, cube 2 out, cube 3 in, cube 3 out. Let's play the slideshow and watch the auto-changing picture style cube in action. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you like it, share it with friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative PowerPoint tricks.